Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia, and this is going to be a demo of the new Epson 5050. I just got this unboxed, which is in another video. I'm just going to play some content for you so you can see the quality of the image. I'm also going to compare it next to last year's 5040 to see if they've really improved anything, if it's worth the money, which is what everybody's probably wondering. Should you spend an extra grand or not? We'll have to see. I'm gonna do some content off of an Apple TV and 4K HDR 4x2x0, and we'll see what this puppy has to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so this is my Apple TV menu, which you can see it's displaying a very nice bright image. That's what's nice about these Epsons, even though it's just EShift and it may not be as crisp as the native 4K projectors, it does toss a really nice bright image. This is a 2600 lumen count on this guy, 1,000,001 contrast. I'm gonna play a few different things for you just to kind of give you an idea of what you can expect. So this is the Peru, which you guys see me put in a lot of my videos. You can see it's a nice, bright, really a vibrant picture. I mean, keep in mind, this is a $3,000 projector. It can't compete next to our native 4K projectors. But I mean, not bad. Really rich and vibrant and bright are things that I would say as a pro to this. So this is the Epson 5040 model, the 3-year-old version. And I would say the changes they made in the EShift has made a big difference. Let me go back. Okay, so this is the EShift Enhancement difference. Or I would say this is probably one of the bigger things. They must have improved this processor quite a bit, because you can see the amount of just pixelization in this particular scene versus the new 5050 is actually pretty dramatic. I mean, you can't even see these people's faces on the 5040, whereas over on the 5050, it's coming through. I mean, not crystal clear like a native 4K projector, but it's not that bad. Okay, so this is back on the 5050, the new model. You can see in the detail of the people in this scene, it's still, you know, not crystal clear. You're not seeing, you know, the color of their eyes, but the amount of pixelization around the human beings is much less. You can see a lot better clarity. I would say this is huge. The EShift that they incorporated into this new unit is much better, giving a more rich picture. Alright guys, so I've been toggling back and forth between a few sources now, and I would say there's definitely an increase in the color, like how realistic and vibrant the color is, as well as the EShift technology. It's appearing that the new 5050 is just a little bit more crisp. I'm gonna toggle between these two images just to show you. So this is the old 5040 here. And really look at the greenery behind her in comparison to her shirt, as well as like all of the colors over there on the animal. And you should be able to see it on this camera. Both projectors are set to bright cinema, just default factory settings, so that it's fair for both. But yeah, I could see, you know, where they increase the performance. I'll be excited for in the future whenever they start coming out with native 4K, but I mean, for the price, I think it's a great product. Can't beat it. All right guys, well, that concludes my shootout of the new Epson 5050 next to the old 5040. I would say it's worth the money. They've definitely put some enhancements into it, more vivid colors, as well as better EShift technology. This still is EShift, not native 4K. For the price, $3,000 MSRP. I think it's a great projector. You'll be seeing it a lot this year. Keep a lookout for the new 6050. We should have them mid-May. You can call me and pre-order them now. And if you would like the 5050, I'm gonna be getting another batch in hopefully within this next week. So give me a call and put the order in. We really did appreciate y'all's feedback on the Sony and JVC shootouts, and we'll continue to make these videos to help improve our channel so that you guys can make an educated buying decision. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.